Welcome! In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to check the full model name of this laptop. So the model name is located on the back cover of your laptop, so let me close the lid and then turn the back side of the laptop so that you can see it. And if you take a closer look right here, you'll find the model name section, and for me it says IdeaPad Slim 5 16ABR 8, I'm sorry, right here. If you cannot see it, it's right here. IdeaPad Slim 5 16ABR 8. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.